Hello everyone, this is Fazal Ur Rahman here from codebook.in. Hope you are enjoying my project videos. And today I brought you a new project on cloud computing domain, which uses the concept of cryptography. The title of the project is something like Forward Secure Public Encryption. And this is a landing page of the project. Okay. So let me tell you, this project uses some software requirements like for front-end uh, For front-end development, we have used here HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, and for backend programming, we are using here Python programming language along with the Django framework, which is the topmost framework in Python. And we are using here MySQL database for storing the data of our application. Let me tell you, this project is also eligible for integrating the real-time cloud like AWS, okay, which I have already done. Let me know if you are interested to integrate this in AWS. So this is the landing page of the project, and this project is having two different types of users. One is the cloud server and another is the normal user. To have the better execution of the project, I will open these two different users in two different tabs. Let's say this tab is for cloud server and another tab for user. Now let's go to user here and we will try to register a new user in this application. This is the registration page. Let's provide some details here. Yes, Hyderabad, country, state, city, some date of birth, pin code, okay. Next, profile picture, email ID, password, mobile number. Kindly provide very correct email ID here because we are going to send some emails. In this project, we are using email API. So provide the very correct email ID of yours. Let me submit this form. And if everything goes fine, this will register, okay, this user. Registration successfully done. Okay, the server response is registration successfully done. Let's go to login here. Login and let's try to login. I think what we have to provide here in username. So username is codebook and password I have given here. This next login. Okay, it's email ID. So let's provide the email ID. Login. So now login is successful. Okay, so this is the dashboard of the user where we can see how many files have been uploaded, accepted files, download files. Okay, and here we can see left side some sort of options like upload files is there, token request is there, search files is there, action requested files, my profile. We will see each and every option very clearly. And first of all, let's go to upload files. We will try to upload a file here. File name is nothing but, let's say, submit, and you can see here server response is successfully done. Now let's go to search files, and here you can see it says server response, you have no token, so please request the token. You cannot search the files from the cloud unless and until you're having a valid token for you. So for that, we have to request the token. Let's click on request token here. Your request is pending, please wait. Okay, request token is submitted. Let's go to cloud here. Now I will log in with cloud. Sign in. One user, five files here. Now view client is there. This is the client which we have registered. View token request. And there is a token request from this user 0 minutes ago. It's pending. Let's click on accept button here. Now the token has been sent successfully. Let's come back to user and refresh this page. You can see we have got the token here. Okay, token is available now. Now let's go to search files. Give the token to search the files. Now you are able to search the files. These are all the files available in cloud. All the files here. Now, which file do you want to request? You can click on request. But first of all, to do this, we will register a new user and this action will perform over there. Let me log out from here. And we will register a new user. Let's provide the details. And address Hyderabad, gender, country, state, city, DOB, pin code, profile picture, email ID, password, and mobile number. Let's click on the submit form button. If everything goes fine, this registration has to be done successfully. Registration successfully done. Let's go back to login and try to perform login. Login is successful. I don't have any files here, no accepted files, no downloads. Let's go to upload files. I can also upload the files, but I want to search files here. And you can see the server responses. You have to request the token. Let's click on request token. And this request will be sent to the cloud. Let's go to cloud and view token request. Let's refresh here. And we have got a token request. You can click on this accept button to accept the token and to submit the token. Once the token is submitted, now we can visit our user module and check the token. Okay, let's go to user module now. And Let's refresh this, and we have got the token. You can see now we can go to search files, and we can utilize this token, search files. For searching the files, we require that. And now we have the access of search capability. We can search files and we can request any type of file. So I'm going to request this file from this user. Okay, sending the request and the file is requested. I can see the action here. Okay, if the file is available, I will be able to download it. But the request will be sent to the another user. Let's log out and log in with that user, which is nothing but mail, I think, and the password is this. Okay, bad credentials. Now, under requested files, now under actions here, you can see there is a file request from this user. Okay, cloud file. There is a request from this user, projects. Now, if I want to accept, I can accept it. If I want to leave it, I can leave like that. Let's click on accept. Accepted. Let's log out and try to log in with that user now. Let's go to requested files, and you can see here we have to verify this. Click on verify. We have to enter the key here. Okay, we have to enter the key, secret key. These two types of key we have to enter, which is available in my email. Let me get into my email and copy those two keys and provide the keys here to download the file. We have got the token also. As I told you, we are using Gmail API, and token is also sent to mail, and we have got a key also and secret key also. Let's copy this key and provide in the application, and secret key as well. If both are correct, the file will be downloaded. Got it? You can see the download option. And the file is downloaded here. This is the file. So this is very simple. We have to verify that we are the correct requested user of that file by providing the key and secret key of the file, which will be sent by the owner. And there are some different actions are there. My profile is there. We can see my profile, and password is there here. We can click on this icon to see and hide the password. And in cloud, we can see view files, all these files. Okay, so this was a simple application which I have shown you. Hope you understood it very clearly. Okay, this project is very helpful because we are using multiple things here. We are using, first of all, cryptographic technique. Let me show you. If we go to the database here, and if we go to this database, and if we see user file details or upload file table, and you can see here key is there, file data. File data is hidden here, encrypted. Okay, we are using here some algorithm to encrypt the data. File data is hidden. Description is there visible to the cloud server. Okay, but the data is hidden. Security is about the data. File data is encrypted here. Ciphertext we can see. So there is no way of decrypting it unless and until we should have the correct keys. What are the keys? This key as well as secret key. So this was a simple application. Hope you have understood it very clearly. If you are not getting anything, if you have issues in execution or explanation, you can get back to me. The number has been given. You can ping me on WhatsApp as well. With this, I conclude the project execution. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.